Hello everyone, today we're playing Don't Press the Button 4. Now find the diamond. Wait, what? Who found it? Oh, I hate this. This one no one actually dropped. I killed someone. Oh my. Yes. Actually make this guy down. Dodgeball. Oh my. Oh wait, this is actually quite nice. Dodgeball. Wait, what? Oh my. Yay! This is quite easy. Yay! Wait, what? Oh. No! What? Okay. Ooh. That was quite easy. What? Tsunami. Okay. Good thing. I thought I was going to be in a tsunami. People died. Oh. Sad. Now what? Oh, again. How come? It never sticks. Wow. That girl on the tree is using it. The girl on the tree, of course. Next time I'll also catch on the tree. I reach Casper. Wow, he has lots of money. Oh, it's easy. Do this. Do this. I don't know. I just gonna for this. Dun, 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 dun. I think that is correct. I trust myself. Please be correct. Yes! I can do another round. Could I? Wow, they're all going the wrong way. Wait, where was it? Oh, it was there. Oh yeah. Oh yes, I get another 10 coins. You guys should do this again and again. Trust me. If you trust me, you'll get 20 coins. I'm not gonna press the button. Scares. Wow, there's a fight. Yes! Yay! Yay! First time winning. Wow. Lava's rising. Wow, lava's rising. This is quite easy. Just do this obby, which is easy. Come on, guys, people. Come on. Oh, this boy can come on. How about the others? How about the? Oh, no one truly won except me and this guy called Kella. Bruzian. Fight with laser guns again? Wow, yay! Wait, why? We just won. For no reason. We never just killed anyone. Oh, I hate this. Ducks. This is hard, you know. One. Only got one. Ducks. So hard to get any of the ducks. Why the guy only got 3 already? Wait, why? Never got it. What? What? He won. 5 ducks. No fair. That's a lie. Let's go. He said let's go. My god. Ariana almost got on fire. Dodgeball. Oh. Yay! So fast. That was quite fast. So, you guys enjoy this? So this is all for today. Goodbye.